No friends but the mountains, the old men say. In the midst of the peaks where the shadows play. But a mountain is more than stone and height. It's a heart of gold, it's a beacon of light. And today, looking out across the sea, new peaks are rising for the world to see. You are the mountains, steady and tall, standing together, refusing to fall. Grim and the brave, with a voice so loud, piercing the silence, breaking the cloud. Not just allies, but brothers in soul, making the broken and weary feel whole. For every Kurd, from the plains to the heights, you are the mountains in the middle of the night. From the halls of power, the echo is sent through the Senate floors and the halls of intent. In Kurdistan and Iraq, in Kurdistan and Syria too, the bond is kept firm by the hearts of the few. My halfway friends will turn and flee, but anchors of hope in a stormy sea, with honesty vast as the canyon floor, and courage that knocks on justice's door. Blood was spilled on the altar of peace, a bond of the brave that will never cease. We leaned on the ridges, we leaned on the star, but now we know we are not alone. Because a man like Graham, with 1,000 behind, has the strength of the summits, the best of mankind. Justice and mercy, sacrifice and grace, reflected in every American face. You are the mountains, steady and tall, standing together, refusing to fall. Ground and the brave, you're the voice so loud, piercing the silence, breaking the cloud. Not just allies, but brothers in soul, making the broken and weary feel whole. For every third, from the plains to the height, you are the mountains in the middle of the night. We won't forget the hand you lend, a mountain of spirit, a true-hearted friend. From the heart of Kurdistan, the message is clear. The mountains of the West are standing.